Why, hello there. What's in Scotty's fridge today? Let's take a look. We got in the drawer here. We got mustard, shredded cheese, ketchup, Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, sliced mild cheddar cheese. You know, I'm sensing a theme here. There's a condiment and some cheese. We got, weirdly enough here, WWE Championship buttons in my fridge. Okay. Back in there so stay up. Stay. What we got to drink? What we got? Nice raspberry lemonade. Bottle of water. Blueberry pomegranate Mountain Dew kick a start. Butter. Can't drink butter. Can't get heated up. That's more butter. There are kinds of butter. Well, technically, this is margarine, but you know. And here we have some Asian tea, lemon, and Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, which I love. Right next to the camera, y'all. Yes, of course, the delicious and healthy milk. Gotta have the milk. What we got? We got eggs. Crack an egg on your head. Why? Yes, I'm thinking about it. Hold on. Alright, here's what I'll do. This is what I want to do. I want to be able to down this whole can of Mountain Dew Zero. And if I can, that's fine, that's great, that's cool. I get a cookie. If I can't, then I have to crack eggs on my head. Yeah, so I don't have a good feeling about this. I think eggs are gonna crack me. Ready? Here we go. Damn it. It's too cold. Fan. It's too cold. So I already got the eggs. Got one egg for not being able to down that. But I'm gonna down this. I know I am. Okay? It's a lemonade. I'm gonna down this one. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's do it! It's too cold. My teeth are too sensitive to that. So that's 2 eggs on my head. Well, hold on. I'll be right back. Can't leave the fridge door open. I'll be right back. What's in the way? I'm back. I put a towel show you. See, that's a towel right there. Excuse me. Oh, tastes terrible, whatever it was. Okay. Hey, first, we remove the eye spectacles. Okay. So I got 2. Take. Just to show you, I actually have 2 eggs in my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Duncan! Yes, the yolk is on the meat. 2, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, Duncan! Eggshells are sitting on my head. The yolk is on me, people. Ooh, it's gooey. I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean up my face here. How much time do I have? Okay, still good. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I changed my mind. Yes, I still got some yolk on me. I'm gonna hop in the shower. So, we're gonna end the video here. So, if you like what you see and you want some more, give me a like, a share, and a subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bada boom.